Life began in the ocean, and without the ocean, all life might end. And yet, the oceans are threatened today as they never have been before, inundated every year by enormous quantities of rubbish, paper, wood, metal, and endless tons of plastic, all originating from the land and slowly breaking up in the salt water until they become tiny 5mm particles, known as microplastics. Every year, these particles lead to the death of birds, mammals, turtles, and fish. In one way or another, they damage all marine life, from the minuscule krill to the great predators, eventually affecting us through the food we consume. By 2050, there could be more plastic than fish in the ocean. At the same time, we must face the challenge of climate change. The oceans cover 70% of the Earth's surface. They carry heat from the equator to the poles. They regulate the climate and provide the water that we drink. As the surface temperature of the oceans rises, hurricanes and flooding will occur more frequently. As the amount of greenhouse gases released into the atmosphere increases, more carbon dioxide is absorbed into the water, in turn leading to greater acidity in our oceans. This acidity is a very serious threat to the planet, just as serious as global warming and with unpredictable consequences to the food chain and the well-being of the oceans and even the human race. Protecting the oceans means acting now to safeguard our present and our future. That's why we like the Blue Economy. It focuses on research, innovation and technology to transform our methods to produce, distribute and consume. Innovative solutions in maritime operations, transport and financial instruments. We can meet these challenges. We can create new sustainable work opportunities in a maritime industry worth $3,000 billion a year. But we can only protect what we understand, appreciate and love. This is the aim of Ocean Literacy. They're researchers, educators, communicators and volunteers. We all have an important task to understand how the oceans influence our lives and how we influence the life of the oceans. To take care of the oceans is to take care of ourselves.